audience. Sarah had posted a question on her blog, I believe from one of your readers. And I thought it was a great question. I wanted us to address it here.
I'm out there and meeting new people, but no girls have really wowed me recently. However, there was one girl that has turned into a casual sex relationship. I'm afraid she'll start to expect more from it, even though I know I won't become more emotionally involved. Should I cut her loose now or just be honest with her and let her decide?
Is it signed Brendan Kirby?
I wish.
Well,
I wish I knew. It's always a mystery.
Okay, Sarah, so what are your thoughts on it? I mean, what are your thoughts on this?
Okay. I think that in order to have good relationship karma, you have to make your intentions known so that you have a clear conscience. So, in order to do that...
Excuse me, I'm sorry. What's a conscience?
His thoughts. It's a silly, silly concept. So if you want to have a casual relationship and you know it's just going to be sex or hooking up or whatever, you need to, before that happens, say, I really want to do this, but I just feel like I need to let you know that I'm not looking for anything serious right now. If that's not okay with you, let's just go watch a movie and don't worry about it.
Okay.
If she agrees, you're in the clear. You've made your intentions known. What she chooses to do, that's her business. And if she says no, at least you've given her the respect that she now knows where she stands with you.
I think some guys are kind of told not to do that, not to be specific about it, because the woman might act, like if we're going to take sort of Megas, if we're going to take a guy wants that and a girl not so sure, kind of, if we're going to take that opinion, for guys not to do that, because the woman might want the same thing, but once it's categorized as that, then they're sort of cheapened by it. In other words, it's almost like if that's what it is, but yet it's not labeled as that, it's almost like it's not what it is, or it's okay, but once you say, hey, we're having a casual relationship, all of a sudden the woman becomes cheap.
I don't know why casual sex would make a woman cheap. I mean, if a man can have it, a woman can have it. I don't think there should be any difference.
Okay.
And if that's what she wants, it's not cheap, and that shouldn't affect her at all.